Hi KingFit friends and fans, this is Andrew and we are back with our dreaded medicine ball for a boxing drill that will kick your butt. I learned this from my coach Izzy from IDIF Boxing, stands for Izzy Does It Fitness Boxing, and we try to do this for as many rounds as you're going to be sparring or competing, okay? So put 2 minutes on the clock, 3 minutes on the clock, whatever you normally do for a boxing round, and we're going to get started, all right? So all you're doing is you're going to be letting this ball go above your head, you're throwing it up, as you do one punch. It can be a 1, it can be a 2. You want to use good form, okay? Trying to use good form, catching and right back up in the air. Izzy always said, if that ball falls or if you're holding it too long, that's when you're getting punched. So you have to get used to accelerating that weight, decelerating, throwing that punch, using good form. And when that gets easy, you can start to do 2 punches. Right? And don't rush into doing 2 punches because then you're going to have 2 punches with bad form, okay? Start with 1 punch with good form for a round, or 2 or 3, and then see if you can add on a second or third punch. I know a lot of you are just going to go right into the second or third punch. Don't do it. You're going to have bad form, okay? So how that might look if I want to do like a 1, 2, back to picking up, or 2, 3, that was a bad hook. 3, 4. Make sure those hands get back to protecting. And let's see if you can go that whole 2-minute round or a 3-minute round with 2 or 3 rounds or 4 or 5 rounds, depending on what your level is in boxing, your cardiovascular fitness. I would love to see you do these and send in your videos. So comment in the section below and let us know how this went for you, and let me know where I can see you doing some of these exercises. I tell you, if you want to see if you're ready for competition or sparring, this is a great drill to see if you're there. You get to work all of your boxing muscles using good form, working that speed, working that deceleration and acceleration. Because when you're taking a punch, you have to decelerate that weight a little bit. You know, they're bringing that weight to you. You have to decelerate and then accelerate. So this lovely medicine ball gives us all of that. All right, we'll see you next time. Thanks, guys.